Charcuterie board prices. Thrifty to luxurious. In recent years, charcuterie boards have taken the culinary world by storm, becoming a staple at gatherings, parties, and even intimate dinners at home. These artfully arranged platters featuring a variety of meat and cheese, fruits, nuts, and other appetizers offer a delightful way to elevate any occasion with style and elegance. As the popularity of charcuterie boards continues to grow, so does the range of options available, from simple and affordable to extravagant and luxurious. So whether you're a thrifty entertainer looking for a budget-friendly option or a connoisseur seeking the finest artisan-crafted board, understanding the factors that influence charcuterie board cost is essential. From the size and shape of the board to the materials used and the level of craftsmanship involved, each element plays a role in determining the final price point. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the world of charcuterie board prices, covering everything from thrifty DIY options to mid-range store-bought varieties, and even luxurious one-of-a-kind pieces. That's how by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what to expect at each price point, and how to select the perfect charcuterie board to suit your budget and entertaining needs. Factors influencing charcuterie board prices. When it comes to the cost of charcuterie boards, several key factors come into play. Size and shape. Charcuterie boards come in a wide range of sizes, from small, intimate platters perfect for a romantic evening in, to large charcuterie spreads ideal for entertaining a crowd. Generally, larger boards will come with a higher price tag, as they require more material and craftsmanship to produce. The shape of the board can also influence the price, with unique or intricate shapes often commanding a premium over standard rectangular or round designs. 2. Material. The material used to craft a charcuterie board is another significant factor in its overall cost. Some common materials include wood. Charcuterie boards made from wood, such as bamboo, acacia wood, or olive wood charcuterie boards, are popular for their natural beauty and durability. Prices can vary widely depending on the specific type of wood and the quality of the craftsmanship. Stone charcuterie boards made from materials like marble or slate offer a sleek, modern look and can be particularly well suited for serving cheese. These boards tend to be pricier than their wooden counterparts due to the weight and complexity of working with stone. Resin and composite materials. Resin charcuterie boards and those made from composite materials offer a wide range of design possibilities and can be more affordable than solid wood or stone options. 3. Brand and craftsmanship. The brand behind a charcuterie board and the level of craftsmanship involved can greatly impact its price. Artisan-crafted boards made by skilled woodworkers or designers often come with a higher price tag, reflecting the time, effort, and expertise that goes into creating each piece. Mass-produced options from well-known brands may also command a premium, while more affordable boards can be found from lesser-known manufacturers or discount retailers. 4. Accessories and features. Some charcuterie boards come with added features or accessories that can drive up the price. These may include built-in knife storage, removable serving trays for easy cleaning, or even custom engraving options for a personalized touch. Personalized charcuterie boards can be expensive, but they make for a thoughtful and unique gift or a special addition to your own collection. Thrifty charcuterie board options. For those looking to enjoy the beauty and functionality of a charcuterie board without breaking the bank, there are several thrifty options to consider. 1. DIY charcuterie boards. One of the most budget-friendly ways to acquire a charcuterie board is to make one yourself. You can repurpose existing materials, such as an old cutting board or a wooden tray, or purchase affordable wood or other materials to create your own custom design. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can craft a charcuterie board that perfectly suits your needs and style. 2. Budget-friendly store-bought options. If you prefer the convenience of a store-bought charcuterie board, there are still plenty of affordable options available. Discount retailers and online marketplaces often offer a selection of budget-friendly boards made from materials like bamboo or acacia wood. While these boards may not have all the bells and whistles of their pricier counterparts, they can still provide a stylish and functional base for your meat and cheese spreads. 3. Renting or borrowing charcuterie boards. For those who only need a charcuterie board for a special occasion or one-time event, renting or borrowing can be a cost-effective solution. Some rental companies specialize in event decor and may offer a selection of charcuterie boards in various sizes and styles. Alternatively, you can ask friends or family members if they have a board you could borrow, saving you the expense of purchasing one outright. Mid-range charcuterie board options. For those willing to invest a bit more in their charcuterie board, mid-range options offer a wider selection of sizes, shapes, and materials, as well as added features and customization options. 1. Specialty kitchen stores. Specialty kitchen stores and online retailers often carry a variety of mid-range charcuterie boards from brands known for their quality and affordability. These boards may be made from premium materials like olive wood charcuterie or high-quality acacia wood, and often come in a range of sizes and shapes to suit different entertaining needs. 2. Customizable charcuterie boards. In the mid-range price point, you'll also find charcuterie boards that offer customization options. Customized charcuterie boards, such as engraving or monogramming. These personalized touches can elevate the look and feel of your board, making it a cherished addition to your kitchen or a thoughtful gift for a loved one. Some companies even allow you to mix materials, such as combining wood and resin for a unique and eye-catching design. 3. Charcuterie board sets and bundles. For added value, consider purchasing a charcuterie board set or bundle. These often include the board itself along with a selection of accessories, such as cheese knives, serving bowls, or even a guide to creating the perfect meat and cheese arrangement. Gift sets can be a great option for holiday or housewarming presents, providing everything the recipient needs to start enjoying their new charcuterie board right away. Luxurious charcuterie board options. For those seeking the ultimate in charcuterie board elegance and craftsmanship, luxurious options offer the finest materials, unique designs, and top-notch accessories. Artisan-crafted charcuterie boards. At the high end of the price spectrum, you'll find charcuterie boards handmade by skilled woodworkers and artisans. These boards are often one-of-a-kind or produced in limited quantities, featuring premium materials and exquisite attention to detail. From intricate inlays to hand-carved designs, artisan-crafted charcuterie boards are true works of art that are sure to impress. Rare and exotic wood options. Luxurious charcuterie boards may also feature rare or exotic wood species, such as olive wood charcuterie board sourced from the Mediterranean or rich, dark acacia wood from South America. These premium materials offer unique grain patterns, colors, and textures that set them apart from more common options, adding an extra touch of sophistication to your appetizer spreads. Charcuterie boards with premium accessories. At the luxury end of the spectrum, charcuterie boards often come with high-end accessories to complete the experience. These may include professional-grade cheese knives, serving utensils made from premium materials like silver or horn, or even leather or brass carrying handles for easy transport. Some boards may also feature built-in storage for these accessories, keeping everything organized and ready for your next gathering. Limited edition and designer collaborations. For collectors and connoisseurs, limited edition charcuterie boards and designer collaborations offer a chance to own a truly exclusive piece. These boards may feature unique designs created in partnership with renowned artists, chefs, or luxury brands, and are often produced in very small quantities. While these boards come with a hefty price tag, they can be seen as an investment in both style and craftsmanship, sure to be treasured for years to come. Comparison of price ranges. To better understand the differences between thrifty, mid-range, and luxurious charcuterie boards, let's take a closer look at the price ranges for each category. Thrifty charcuterie boards can often be found for under $50, with some DIY options costing even less. These boards may be smaller in size and made from more affordable materials like bamboo or basic hardwoods. Mid-range charcuterie boards typically fall between $50 and $200, depending on the size, material, and brand. These boards offer a wider range of options in terms of shape, wood type, and customization, and may come with some basic accessories. Luxurious charcuterie boards can range from $200 to $1,000 or more, reflecting the premium materials, artisan craftsmanship, and high-end accessories that set them apart. These boards are often larger in size and made from rare or exotic woods, with intricate designs and limited production runs. Of course, there is some overlap between these categories, and prices can vary widely depending on the specific features and materials of each board. However, this general breakdown can help you understand what to expect at each price point and guide your decision-making process. Things you must keep in mind. When deciding which charcuterie board to purchase, there are several key factors to keep in mind. Determining your budget and intended use. First and foremost, consider your budget and how you intend to use your charcuterie board. If you're a frequent entertainer or plan to use your board regularly, investing in a higher quality, more durable option may be worth the extra expense. On the other hand, if you only need a board for occasional use or have a limited budget, a thriftier option may suffice. Considering the size of your gatherings and entertaining style, think about the typical size of your gatherings and your personal entertaining style. If you frequently host large charcuterie spreads for big groups, a larger board or even multiple boards may be necessary. For more intimate gatherings or everyday use, a smaller board may be more practical and easier to store. Evaluating the durability and maintenance requirements of different materials. Different charcuterie board materials come with varying levels of durability and maintenance requirements. Hardwoods like acacia wood or olive wood charcuterie boards are generally more durable and long-lasting, but may require regular oiling and care to maintain their appearance. Bamboo and resin boards may be more resistant to moisture and staining, but can be prone to scratches or cracks over time. Consider your willingness to maintain your board and choose a material that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Final thoughts. The best charcuterie boards have become a beloved addition to any gathering, offering a stylish and delicious way to display and serve a variety of appetizers, meat and cheese, fruits, and more. From thrifty DIY options to luxurious artisan-crafted designs, there is a charcuterie board to suit every budget and entertaining need. When deciding which board is right for you, consider factors such as your budget, intended use, gathering size, and preferred material. Whether you opt for an affordable bamboo board, a mid-range acacia wood option, or a premium olive wood charcuterie board, the key is to find a piece that reflects your personal style and enhances your entertaining experience. Remember, while personalized charcuterie boards can be expensive, the value of a well-crafted board lies in its ability to elevate any occasion and create a welcoming atmosphere for your guests. By investing in a quality charcuterie board that suits your needs, you'll have a versatile and cherished tool for all your future gatherings, from casual get-togethers to elegant soirees. So go ahead, explore the world of charcuterie boards, and find the perfect piece to showcase your culinary creations and wow your guests. With the right board at your fingertips, you'll be ready to create unforgettable meat and cheese spreads that will have everyone coming back for more.